In this video, we'll be solving this cubic equation. First, let's move 48 to the left-hand side. That's x to the third minus x squared minus 48 and equals 0. We're going to solve this equation by factoring. So here we have 3 terms. We want to turn it into 4 terms. Because here we have x to the third minus x squared, then we are hoping we can rewrite 48 as a number to the third minus a number squared. So let's factorize 48. So here 48 equals 16 times 3. Then 16, that's 4 squared. Then 3, that's 4 minus 1. Then distribute 4 squared, and here just a 4 to the third minus 4 squared. So next, we're going to use this part to replace 48. Then x to the third minus x squared, and here 4 to the third minus 4 squared. Let's combine these two together. Then combine these two together. Take out the negative sign. Then minus 4 squared equals 0. Then factor each part. So for this one, we're going to use this formula. That's a to the third minus b to the third. Then equals a minus b. Then here a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we're going to apply this formula to this part. And here just x minus 4. And here x squared plus 4x plus 16. Then the second part. Factor the second part, that's x minus 4. Then x plus 4. Because they have a common factor, x minus 4. So take out the common factor, x minus 4. Then the first part. Then the second part. Here's minus x minus 4 equals 0. Let's simplify the inside. And here just x squared. Then these two just 3x. Here just plus 12. Then equals 0. Because a product equals 0, so then let each factor equals 0. So first, let x minus 4 equals 0. Then the solution is x equals 4. That is the first solution. Then let the second factor equals 0. Then here just x squared plus 3x plus 12 equals 0. Then use the quadratic formula. Just negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac. C is 12. Divided by 2. Then simplify the inside part. That's a negative 39 inside the square root. Then negative 39 under the square root, we can put as a square root 39, then times the square root negative 1. Then square root negative 1, just I. So then we have the other two solutions. So totally we have 3 solutions. So this is the second, third solution. Then put them together. So solutions of this equation, x equals 4, then x equals negative 3 plus minus square root 39i divided by 2. So we have 3 solutions.